Just to keep your phone. If I get it done, I'm gonna be very, very fun. I already told Dan, like, yeah, if that happens, I'm gonna be the stereotypical guy, shotgun. Raise like that. Go. Okay. Okay. Mine is mine. Right. 1, 2,
China cleared.
Right, I'm half full.
Oops, I forgot flaps.
Oh, you did not have your flappy.
Oh wow, it doesn't sound bad.
It's got a lot of punch.
Even for 30.
Oh, they do take up the spray. Forgot to put it.
Are we gonna join up with them or are we gonna do our own thing?
Let's do it. I want to do more tandem touching goes.
Okay. Shall we peel off and do that now?
That's all fly together for a while. Once you... That's just all fly together. Alright. Let's give him one more lap and then we'll peel off. And do a tandem touching goes.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Crazy Kazra.
Are you in the lead or are you in the back?
I'm in the back.
I'm the leader. I'm the low one. After this pass, we're going to split. Whoa! My plane just decided to aileron on its own.
I feel it. There was wind.
I'm right behind you.
Okay.
You're like up top.
See me wagging?
Alright, yeah. Alright, setting up now. Gear down.
Gear down. Landing flap.
Tandem touch and goes. Oh my god, I guess we're gonna have to wait.
It's alright. See what happens. Where are they?
I'm gonna be on the third line. Oh god.
I'm just gonna do a dirty pass.
Yeah, me too.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Okay, come on, Frank.
Where are you guys?
You're ahead. You okay?
Frank, you sprayed. I didn't spray you. I sprayed all the way away. I can't like get my hands off my radio. Touch and go?
Yeah, go ahead. Frank, that's me with you. I'm right there with you.
I'm listening more dead.
Yeah.
Alright, 30 fast. 30 fast. Oh, yeah. Let's do it now.
Go.
30 seconds.
Alright, Ray and I are gonna do tandem touch and goes.
You alright? Look at that. Look at that.
Alright.
Do it. Do it. You okay?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Nice.
4,
That was perfect.
That was pretty good.
1. Time expired.
Way! Mama, mama!
That's right, nice.
Woohoo!
Well, I was chasing you.
Let's do it.
Yeah, we're doing it.
Yeah, go.
We're doing it.
Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Do it again. Ah, god damn.
It's alright. Go, come on. Flaps up and go.
Flaps up.
Leave your gear down, flaps up and power up. Give you a little more speed.
Landing flaps.
Well, who cut in front? I got it now, I see you.
Ah, crazy sky.
Where's
Crazy
Frank?
sky over there.
Is that you, Frank?
That's me
Okay.
in the back.
I'm gonna slow down, I'll let you get ahead a little bit.
Yeah.
There we go. See what I did there?
I see what you did there.
Okay.
Let him go.
So let's go a little further, keep
1
going.
minute over.
God, that red makes my glasses do weird shit. shot ahead of you. I don't know. It must be Rand.
I have no idea who that was. Have you seen my nose, Bill? Yes, that's what you were focusing on. We're trying to touch and go. You're busy.
What the heck?
Where are you?
Way over there.
Are you there? Up there?
Yeah. I'll swing out to the right. Okay. I'm gonna cut in to be there where you are. There we are. That's us.
Oh, don't overdo it, Ray.
No,
oh,
I know. I'm good. I'm good.
Oh,
I'm good.
I like a smaller
No. It's just lower C.
Yeah. Lower C is fine.
Because the punch sounds the same. It doesn't sound any different.
Is that Ray? Are you coming in and touching the rope? Yeah. You guys are not taking risks with me, right?
Oh, I'm right here. I'm gonna be closest to us.
Nice guy. Alright.
Oh, fuck! I did that for you.
I know. I just realized that was you.
I still got plenty of power. So, okay.
Yeah, you better land. I'm gonna land soon as well. My battery. Let's go the other way. Give him some room.
Flaps up.
Where are you guys?
Way back here.
Giving you room to
Landing
land.
flaps.
Oh. Alright. I'm clear. Setting up to touch and go tandem. Especially when you have a couple of close spots.
Over.
4,000.
Flaps up.
Alright, touch and go. Tandem.
Landing flaps.
Right, I'm gonna be landing up with these fast.
Okay. Oh, you shot ahead of me.
Check your batteries as well.
I'm good. Okay, let's stay together, Frank.
Okay. I can go another probably half a minute or so, but double
You're making me come out again.
Good.
Huh?
Oh, now?
Yeah?
No, stay there. Wait.
Tell me how you really
No, you have a
feel.
5,000. You have a 5,000. You're good.
Come on out.
Rand's way the hell back there in Egypt, so turn left. I mean, turn right now. Then I'll slot back in there with you, and then we'll come on back around. Come on.
Not yet. I'm gonna keep my nose. I was keeping my nose on. We can't. He's still on the run. No, I'm moving aside. No,
That's alright. We'll go around.
I'm sorry.
I got plenty of power.
Alright, let's move down.
Okay.
Alright. Touch and go. That was a great flight. How much time? I really enjoyed it.
93 degrees Fahrenheit. Flight path
I had to catch up to you.
95 degrees Fahrenheit.
Really flat for a long time.
Because we keep our throttle low.
Yeah.
Yeah, I still got plenty.
Temperature 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Flight path 22.2 volts.
Landing full stop this time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut under you.
9 degrees Fahrenheit. Flight path 21.4 volts. 5 minutes over.
Jesus Christ. that was a perfect landing.
Yeah.
Good
Flaps
flight.
up.
You guys done?
Yeah. Dude, that was good.
That was really good.
I kind of like this plane.
I love this.
Yeah, your battery's not happy with you.
My battery?
100 degrees.
That's fine.
Dude, that was awesome.
100 is barely.
It's a little over our body temperature, right?